Hi friends, I am KS Chaudhary. Here we talk as long as I am. जहां तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, right? Yes, you can't hurt. Okay, as long as I am here, you don't need to worry. आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, right? As long as I am here, you don't need to worry. जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, आपको कोई चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं. Right? As long as I am here, no one can hurt you. Right? तुम्हें कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकता, तुम्हें कोई छेड़ नहीं सकता. No one can tease you. Tease मतलब होता है छेड़ना, तंग करना. In this way we use now tease. As soon as I am here, no one can tease you. As long as I am here, you won't do this work. Right? जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, आप ये काम नहीं करेंगे. Okay? As long as I am here in the class, you will not go outside. बाहर नहीं जाओगे. जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, तुम बाहर नहीं जाओगे. There is a long I am. Everything will be fine. जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. As long as I am here, everything will be fine. It is very nice topic. As long as I am here, everything will be fine. As long as I am here, you won't feel alone. जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, आपको अकेला महसूस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Right? Yes, it is very nice topic. As long as I am here, you won't feel alone. Right? जहां तक मैं हूं, अभी तुम्हें कमाने की चिंता नहीं है. जैसे आप बोले ना, yes, as long as I am here, right? You don't need to earn money. You don't need to earn money. As long as I'm here, you don't need to earn money. Okay, because I am earning. मैं कमा रहा हूँ ना. Parents say mostly. As long as I am here, right? जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ ना, वो यहाँ से नहीं जाएगा. As long as I am here, right? He will not go from here. He will not go from here, right? He will not go from here. जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ. As long as I am here, he will not go from here. Okay? Yes. जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ, आप बातें नहीं करेंगे. As long as I am here, right? You will not go anywhere. आप कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. Right? As long as I am here, you will not go. You will not go anywhere. कहीं नहीं जाएंगे आप जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ. Right? As long as I am here, you will not go anywhere. You will watch my video. देखेंगे. It is very nice. Right? As long as everything will be fine. So we use. Right? जहां तक मैं जानता हूं कि okay, जहां तक मैं यहाँ हूं, right? आप दूसरों की चीजों को हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे. As long as I am here, as long as I am here, right? I am here, right? You will not touch other things. We are saying from the student, you will not touch other things. You will not touch my computer. You will not touch my phone. जब तक मैं यहाँ. Right? It is very nice topic. As long as I am here, you need not to earn money, need to earn money, wrong. Need not या needn't, right? जब तक मैं यहां हूं तुम्हें उससे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. As long as I am here, you don't need to say anything to him. उसे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. Use now. As long as I am here. I am here. Right? Here, as long as I am here, you, okay, don't need, you don't need to say anything, okay, yes, anything to him as soon as him. It is very nice topic. As soon as I am here, right? Yes, you need to like my video. You need to subscribe my channel as soon as I am here in front of you. As long as I am here, right? Yes, you need to subscribe my channel, right? As long as I am here, right? जब तक मैं यहाँ हूं वो ये काम नहीं करेगा. He will not do this work, right? जब तक मैं यहाँ हूं तुम्हें बाहर नहीं जाने दूंगा. Okay, yes, as long as I am here, right? Yeah, I am here. I will not let you go. I will not let you go outside because it is my responsibility. So as long as, oh, very nice topic. As long as okay, I am here, you will not leave my video. Okay, yes, bye. Next